Hi, my name is Ken Wang. I am a civil engineer and land surveyor. This session is about why American factories are moving overseas. Producing goods in foreign countries saves labor costs, but the downside is paying higher shipping costs and the risk of secret compromised, and the more important later on. Foreign factory will come back to hunt Americans with cheaper goods. In California, the government mandate minimum wage is a guarantee for worker, but could make some people depend on it and lazy. Merit pay is engine of inspiration and the motivation for hard work, make people smart. In a competitive global economy, the leading GPU company, NVIDIA, manufactured their chip overseas to maximize profit. Americans have moved factories overseas, leaving behind those essentials that cannot be moved, such as restaurant, auto repair shop, beauty salon, and healthcare, etc. The takeaway is water will always flow to the lowest point. The manufacturer will always seek low-cost destinations. It's so sad. That's too bad. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumb up, tell a friend. Goodbye.